Oh yes, this is one of our favorite things to open right here, guys. This is the Matchbox 2022 B case unboxing presented by wheelcollectors.com. Matchbox is on fire. We love it. We hope you guys love it too. I'm going to show you guys a top-down view of this case. We just rolled in today. Check that out. See, lots of good stuff in this one. So as usual, we're gonna go 3x3. 24 cars in a Matchbox case. The very first car, there's two of them, is the Matchbox backhoe. We've had that one before. And then we've actually had this one before, but in a different color. This is the Honda CVCC 1976. Definitely a fan favorite on that one. Next three cars in the case. There's another Honda CVCC. And then we have the Volkswagen Golf MK1 in silver. It's got the GTI on the front grille there. I like that one. And then the next car is the 2020 Corvette C8. Oh, sweet. It says C8 Vet on the license plate there. Very cool. Next three cars in the case. There's two of these right here. This is the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. Get a good view of that one. Dark green, obviously. And then there's the 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia in a very cool blue. It says Giulia on the license plate. Sweet. Next three cars in the case. We have to go one by one here. They're all different. This is the Bentley Bentayga. Not sure if you're saying that right. It says Bentley on the front. Not sure if I'm saying that right. I've never actually seen one of these. Bentley on the license plate. It must be the Bentley SUV. Very cool. The next car is the Honda Ridgeline. This has always been a very popular car on the Matchbox series. Very cool. Ridgeline on the side. Got a hitch on it. Then the next car is the Matchbox Garbage Scout. It's got the garbage can on the back. It says Twinkle Rubbish on the side there. The next three are all different as well. This is the 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. Very cool. This one right here is going to be one of the most popular ones in the case, guys. This is the Lexus Ls 400 from 1994. I like that one a lot. Got the taillights and the headlights on it. And then this one's going to be popular too. This is the 1965 Ford C900. Man, this case is just awesome, guys. See why I'm telling you Matchbox is on fire? This case is awesome. Okay, so the next three, we've had this one. This is the Master Coupe. And then we have two of this particular vehicle. This is the 2020 Land Rover Defender 90. Give you guys a good look at this one. This one's going to be popular as well. And then the last six in the case, we've got the 1960 Chevy El Camino. That's going to be popular. And then we have two of this particular car in the case. Right there. This is the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. And again, this one's going to be a good one. Super popular. Awesome. And then the last three cars in the case. I've seen this before right here. This is the mini cargo truck. And then last but certainly not least is the Porsche 918 Spider. Love it. This case is banging, guys. Wheelcollectors.com is hoping you're having a great week. Come watch a few videos and then come by our site. We're always adding stuff every single week. And we've just made some significant pickups as well. So I'm going to give you a top-down view of this case. Thank you guys very much. We appreciate you. We hope we're having fun. Thanks again. Wheelcollectors.com is out.